Amy from Doodle Dog Designs. Last week I made a punch needle pin to wear on a coat or sweater this holiday season from this sheep pattern. Today I'm going to take the same sheep pattern and I'm going to make a no-sew felted wool Christmas tree ornament. I went to my wool scrap basket and I found some cream and brown scraps of felted wool. I'm going to trace the sheep pattern onto a piece of tissue paper so I don't have to cut out the paper pattern. Then I'm going to trace the head and the legs separately. I'll do those out of a different color of wool. I'm going to cut out two bodies. There'll be one for the front and one for the back. Then I need to cut one head and one of each of the feet. Now I'm going to use the same outline of the sheep pattern and put it on a piece of thin cardboard about the weight of a cereal box. And I don't want it to be as big as this. I want it to be somewhat smaller and just following the general outline shape of it. It doesn't need to be following all of the fluffy curve lines or even the feet. It's just going to be in the middle of the two pieces of felted wool to give the ornament some substance so it's not floppy. That might be a little too big. I want to now glue the pieces together. If you prefer, you could sew these. I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to do a project. This would be fun to use as a gift topper or in an ornament exchange or add to a card for a friend. Then I'm going to glue the piece of cardboard onto the backing. And then I have some baker's twine. It's red and white. And I have cut about a 4-inch piece of it, and I have a rusty bell, and I put the baker's twine through the bell, and then I'm just going to tie a knot and then trim it down a little bit. And I did say this was a no-sew project, but I think this is going to stay on better if it is tacked down just a little bit. You could just use glue if you want. I'm going to tack it down right here at the bottom of his face. And I did put his face on a little lopsided. I like it like that. doesn't need a lot of stitching, just to make sure it stays. I'm going to take some more of the baker's twine. This time I've got about 12 inches, and I want that to go at the top of the sheep, looped over here. And then this will go inside, and that will be the hanger for the ornament. So I'm going to glue all of it together now. So here are the two projects that I've made with the same sheep pattern. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.